How to delete all videos on TikTok. So here is how you can delete all your videos on TikTok with the important savings and step-by-step instructions. So let's get started. First of all you have to do is open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your TikTok account. Then simply tap on the profile icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your TikTok profile. Now once in there, all you have to do is tap on the video you want to delete. So you can see all the videos here. Now tap on the video. I only have the one video. Just to let you know, there is no built-in feature in TikTok to delete all the videos together. So once you tap on the video you want to delete, tap on the three dot, then slide it to the last and you will get to see trash icon. Tap on it and delete it. Now you will need to repeat this process for each video in order to delete it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.